Welcome to Mitra Institute of Education, where your academic journey meets excellence. At Mitra Institute, we offer 24/7 access to expert tutors dedicated to your success. With 90% of our educators holding PhDs, rest assured you are in capable hands, each tutor having undergone thorough background checks for your peace of mind. Our comprehensive services include college preparation, admissions assistance, student loan applications, and much more. From ACT, GED, GRE, and SAT preparation to personalized college consulting, thesis, and dissertation guidance, we are here to support you every step of the way. Explore a range of academic subjects, including accounting, statistics, economics, STEM, and career consulting. Our secure and user-friendly educational platform is offered free of charge, providing you with a safe space to grow, learn, and succeed. Visit mitrainstituteofeducation.org or email us at info@mitrainstituteofeducation.org to begin your journey to success today. Your future, our commitment.